Good morning, children. Here I bring you a very beautiful poem. Who ate my cheese? Yes. Who ate my cheese? Written by Ron Mandrick. A very beautiful poem. Okay. So this poem is just to read and enjoy the poem, learn new words from this, and this poem is just for pleasure. Okay, children. So let's have fun with this poem. Who ate my cheese? Tell me one thing, children. Do you love to eat cheese in your pizzas, burger, and sandwiches? Even sometimes with chapati. You like to eat? Yes. Isn't it tasty? It's a really very nice, tasty thing. Cheese always. So it is made up of milk product. Also good for for health. Rather than oil, we can take this as fat replacement. Understand? Okay. So let's enjoy the poem. Who ate my cheese? So here in this poem, a boy who is asking, when he did not find his cheese, he is asking. So normally you ask to whom? Mommy, where is my cheese? Your sister comes running. I did not eat. Your younger brother, I did not eat. Little sister, I ate it when you were in the school. Okay. So the same way here the boy did not find his piece of cheese. Okay. But it is asking to whom help. He's taking whose help to find out his cheese? To animals. Isn't it strange? Yes. So let's see how. First let me read this poem for you, children. Okay. I thought I'd make a sandwich of bread and milky cheese, but I could not find a bit of cheese. Would someone help me, please? Mommy cow, she rang her bell. She knew just what to do. She asked the little puppy dog with a loud and playful moo. Puppy dog, he laughed, bow, bow, and ran to kitty cat. She knew who took my bit of cheese. Well, what do you think of that? She gave a loud meow and ran out of the house. I ate your little bit of cheese, squeaked little Mr. Mouse. Squeaked little Mr. Mouse by Ron Mandrick. Isn't it beautiful? So here all the animal sound. You hear? Bow bow. Moo. Squeak. Who makes that? Mouse. Yes. Meow. Who makes it? Cat. Yes. So now I will repeat it. So I will repeat the poem, but you have to repeat it after me. Okay. So that you learn to read. After that I will explain you, children. Okay. I thought I would make a sandwich of bread and milky cheese, but I could not find a bit of cheese. Would someone help me, please? Mommy cow, she rang her bell. She knew just what to do. She asked the little puppy dog with a loud and playful moo. Puppy dog, he laughed, bow bow, and ran to kitty cat. She knew who took my bit of cheese. Well, what do you think of that? She gave a loud meow and ran out of the house. I ate your little bit of cheese, squeaked little Mr. Mouse. Okay, stay here. So this boy thought that the boy is telling, I thought to make a sandwich of bread and milky cheese. Tastes nice, no? Sandwiches, how nice? Whatever you add, but if you add a piece of cheese in that, it tastes really very nice. So he thought to make, but he could not find a bit of cheese. Little bit of cheese also he could not find at home. Now, would someone help me, please? He is asking if please someone help me to find out my cheese. Where did my cheese go? Mommy cow, she rang her bell. Mommy cow, see, you can see her picture, a cow bell tied in here? With shaking that, mummy cow rang the bell. Yes, I will help you, she said. She knew just what to do. Okay, she asked the little puppy dog. Here you see, can see the puppy dog? With a loud and playful moo. How this cow makes sound? Moo. Which sound cows make? Yes, cow make which sound, children? Moo sound. Which sound? Moo. So here in this poem we learn sounds of animals. Okay, children. So cow makes which sound? Moo sound. Okay. Puppy dog, he laughed. Puppy dog, how did it laugh? Bow, bow. How did it laugh? The puppy dog? Bow, bow. Bow, wow. How did it laugh? Bow, bow. Okay, bow, bow. So it know how to help. Okay. So cow asked help to the puppy dog. Puppy dog now laughed and ran to whom? Ran to the kitty cat. Where did it run? To the kitty cat. So now she knows where the cheese is. Now what she can do? This kitty cat. Okay, let's see what it is making. She knew who took my bit of cheese. Well, what do you think of that? So you know, cat, who took my bit of cheese? She gave a loud meow. Which sound cat makes? Meow sound. Which sound? Meow. And she ran out of the house. She knew who took it. Where did she run? She ran to the out of the house. I ate your little bit of cheese, squeaked little Mr. Mouse. Now she ran to whom? To the mouse, because she knew who took it. What it did? It squeaked. It squeaked and said, I took your little bit of cheese. Now this boy found the cheese. Who took it? Mouse. Okay. Here is a very beautiful poem where the boy is asking for help. Now who came for the help? First the cow came. Yes, I will help by ringing the bell. And it know to whom to ask. It asked the puppy dog. It came with laughing, bow, bow, I will also help you. It went to whom? The dog went to the kitty cat. Puppy dog, kitty cat. So it said, yes, I knew who took it. With a mew, it went to the little Mr. Mouse. The mouse squeaked and said, yes, I ate your little bit of cheese. Agreed? Okay. So finally, the boy got his cheese. So it asked help to whom? To the cow. Cow asked whom? Dog. Dog asked whom? Cat. Cat went to the mouse and they came to know who ate that cheese? Mouse. Isn't it nice? So, shall we read it together, children? Yes. Who ate my cheese? I thought I would make a sandwich of bread and milky cheese, but I could not find a bit of cheese. Would someone help me, please? Mummy cow, she rang her bell. She knew just what to do. She asked the little puppy dog with a loud and playful moo. Puppy dog, he laughed, bow bow, and ran to kitty cat. She knew who took my bit of cheese. Well, what do you think of that? She gave a loud meow and ran out of the house. I ate your little bit of cheese, squeaked little Mr. Mouse. Okay, children, read till you'll get it properly, thoroughly. Okay, that's your homework for today. Read. On this video, how many times you are not getting, just on it and learn it. Okay, together with me. Okay, children, enjoy your poem.